Kirk has to budget his limited income. Chloe has credit card debt. Mike is struggling with insurance options. In personal finance decisions, your students will meet 16 young adults facing critical financial decisions. Decisions that will have serious impact on their lives, and ones that your students could also face in the real world. Should Corrine have taken out that payday loan? What about a cash advance on her credit card? Your students evaluate each choice to determine if the financial decisions are good ones, earning cash as they answer correctly. Sure, a cash advance on a credit card might have a lower interest rate than a payday loan. But what happens when Corrine can only make the minimum monthly payment? In personal finance decisions, every answer is explained so your students can understand why one financial option might be better than another. By the time your students have learned about each of the 16 situations, they'll have made nearly 100 personal finance decisions, and you'll be able to view their score at any point. Personal finance decisions is a great way to determine how prepared your students are to make these vital choices on their own. Sign up for a free trial today and discover how we're bringing real life into the classroom.